This is the Iron Trader. The pitch just closed here about 10 minutes ago here at 2:30. So we're going to review crude oil here and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, buy the ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have the crude oil daily chart. Another nice green candle. Okay, today's high so far is 81.90. So let's just see where it's going to go. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to look to the bottom of this candle right here. So that's sitting at 82.11. That is going to be the next resistance. Then we look to the top of this candle. You're looking at 83.12. Then we have 83.44. And then your big retest here is 83.53. So that is what our target is going to be, 83.53. Now, always remember very, very key levels. Look at this 200 SMA here. Okay, right there. Now, if you take it all the way across, where did it go? Into the 200-day and then pull back. Rally into the 200-day, pull back. Is it going to do the same thing here at the 83.53 mark? Very, very possible. So what you want to do is you want to sell some into that level right there and then hold some. Now, if it closes back above, then you can just re-add your position. If it pulls back, then you can buy it at a lower level. Very, very easy. So that is your upside. Now, on your downside, you want to watch today's low. Okay, so today's low here is 80.13. Then we want to watch this key 8 SMA here sitting at 79. Now, if that's lost, then we just look to the bottom of these candles here. Okay, so you're looking at 78.87 here. We have 78.55. Then we have 78.29. And then we look to your 200 SMA here sitting at 76.93. If that's lost, then we look to your 21-day here at 75.79, and then just keep working yourself all the way on down, 73.77, and then your big 50 SMA here sitting at 72.87. Now, if this pulls back here to this 8 SMA, that is, and it holds, that's the key, it's got to hold, then that would be a nice buying opportunity. If it can go to this 83.53, I will be selling some at probably at least a third position into that. And then if it pulls back, then I would be adding to position as long as it holds these key levels. Now, if you're looking at this 8 SMA above all the key SMAs, look at this 21-day rallying right up, headed right for that 200 SMA. Very, very bullish chart here once you broke out of this range right here. Very, very bullish. Okay, so the key level on the upside again is watch that 83.53. And then on the downside, watch this key 8 SMA here sitting at 79 flat. Now let's take a look here on the weekly and your monthly. Okay, your monthly chart, very, very nice. You're right above your key 8 SMA sitting at 76.07. You're above your 200 SMA, 72.83. And you're above your 50 SMA, 66.65. Very, very nice. Your upside target is going to be this candle right here, 83.53. If you get above, then we look here to your 21-day, now sitting at 85.48, which lines up very, very nicely with this 100 SMA here sitting at 85.37. Okay, but what you first want to do is you got to get above that price channel, which is 83.53. Now, on the downside here, looking very, very bullish. See how this 8 SMA here now crossed above the 21? Very, very bullish. And look at all the nice green candles here. So on the downside, you want to watch this key support here, the 78.45. That's your 50-day. Then we want to watch this 8 SMA here, 74.99, and then your 21 there sitting at 74.17. If it happens to come down. Now, again, it can come down, leave a tail, and then just like this candle here, and then rally back up. Very, very easy here. Okay, so now you know where your upside is. Now you know where the downside is. But watch if it breaks this price channel of 83.53. Watch this 21 or this 100 SMA here at 85.37. Lines up very, very nicely here with the 21-day here at 85.48. Okay, now let's take a look here at the old natty gas. Okay, natty gas, you got your hourly chart and your 4-hour chart here. Okay, obviously series of lowers, highs, never good. But then we had a nice double bottom here, 2.55 right there. And then this candle right here was 2.56. Very, very, 2.56. Very, very nice higher low. And then she rallied right on up here. Okay, so what we had here is you had a top right there sitting at 2.68 and then 2.69. So basically another double top and then down. Okay. However, the series of higher lows is still intact here. So what we want to do on the upside is watch this 21, 2.64. Then we want to watch the 2.65, 2.67, and then 2.69 to see if you have any kind of where it can rally right on up. Now, on your 4-hour chart here, series of lower highs, never good. And right here, all the way down, lower highs. That's why you always want to put different time frames on your charts, okay? So if you're scalping, you want to use a tick chart, 1 minute, 5 minute chart, maybe even a 15-minute chart here, but a little longer term, an hourly and 4-hour kind of look really, really good. Okay, so what we want to do here on the upside is that everything's all very congested, but watch this 200-day, 2.64. If you can get above, you got 2.67, and then you got 2.73 with a retest, and then just follow all these candles all the way on up here until you get up to 2.78. If you can get above, then we just follow these candles here. Okay, 2.79 here. You got 2.82, and then your big retest here at 2.87. So let's take a look here on the daily. Yeah, daily chart. This from this point on here, just an absolute snooze fest here. Just basically just scalps. Okay, scalp money, put in your pocket. Today I did no scalping at all here in natural gas. I did scalp the oil. I am long oil, and I scalp it every day also for cash flow. Okay, so let's just see what we got here. Well, I really got a whole lot of nothing here. So what you want to do is you want to look at your 21 SMA here. You're sitting at 2.65. You want to look at your 8 SMA, 2.67. That's your upside. If you can get above, you got 2.82 as a target. Then we have your retest here at 2.87. A close above. Here's your target right there, sitting at 3.027. Okay, on the downside here, what you want to do is you want to watch the 50 SMA here, sitting at 2.53. You want to watch your price channel, 2.48. And then if it loses that, you got 2.39. Not really a whole lot of going on here, but if you want to trade natural gas, just scalp it daily, put it in your pocket and see what happens the next day until you can close either above or below these price channels. All right, that's all I have for you today. I will be back tomorrow before 8 o'clock, and we will review crude oil and natural gas and get you going for Tuesday. And remember, the API report is out on Tuesday at 4:30, and the EI report is out on Wednesday at 10:30. And then on the 4th of August, boom, big OPEC meeting. So be careful, be sharp. Thanks for watching.